Mustard oil, pressed from mustard seeds. That sharp, pungent smell? That's allyl isothiocyanate, the same compound that makes wasabi hot. Smoke point, 250 degrees Celsius, one of the highest of any cooking oil. It doesn't just carry heat, it amplifies spice flavor better than most oils. Best for high heat cooking, tempering, and North and East Indian cuisine. Olive oil, cold pressed from whole olives. The word extra virgin means no heat or chemicals were used. Smoke point, 190 degrees Celsius lower than most. High heat destroys its flavor and nutrients. Rich in oleic acid, a monounsaturated fat linked to heart health. Best for salad dressings, light sautéing, and finishing dishes. Not for deep frying. Sunflower oil, extracted from sunflower seeds. Neutral flavor, it doesn't interfere with your food. Smoke point, 230 degrees Celsius. Handles deep frying without breaking down quickly. High in polyunsaturated fats, specifically linoleic acid. The most common oil in kitchens for everyday cooking. Best for deep frying, stir frying, and any recipe where you want the food to speak, not the oil. Sesame oil, 2 versions, 1 oil. Light sesame oil pressed from raw seeds. Mild nutty, can handle medium heat. Dark sesame oil pressed from toasted seeds. Intense, rich flavor. Use it to finish a dish, not cook in it. Best for peppering with light oil, East Asian stir fries, and drizzling with dark oil. Ghee, technically a fat, not an oil, but it belongs here. Made by simmering butter until all water and milk solids are removed. What's left is pure butterfat. Smoke point, 250 degrees Celsius, one of the safest for high heat cooking. Lactose-free, long shelf life. Adds a deep, nutty richness no oil can replicate. Best for anything that needs flavor, not just heat.